This customer is going from a septic system to a city sewer system. This means we need to find the sewage line running to the septic tank. Once the line is found, it is hand dug until it is freed. Now we can start trenching a path for the new sewage pipe to be run. While Brandon is working on digging the trench, Ryan begins cutting the concrete in the road for the pipe to be run. With the trench dug and the concrete cut, it can be moved out of the way. The sewer main pipe is located and hand dug to give us access to it. Now the trench can be dug all the way to the sewer main. We are adding a new inlet to the sewer main, so part of the old pipe needs to be cut to make room for our inlet. With the inlet attached, we can run the new sewer pipe and backfill the trench once the glue is cured. The new sewer pipe is run from the bottom up, with cleanouts being put in every 50 feet. Before the sewer line can be connected to the house, the septic tank needs to be completely drained from both sides. With the septic system drained, the new sewer pipe can then be connected to the house. The old septic tank is then collapsed and filled with gravel and covered with dirt and compacted with the tractor. Now all that's left is to clean up our mess. The dirt is leveled and new grass seed and hay is put down. The old concrete is loaded onto a trailer and we prepare to add new concrete. With the road prepped, we begin to add new concrete. The concrete is left to cure and this job is complete. If you have a plumbing issue like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to call us at 678-403-1071.